Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to have what do you call it, avocado treatment. I've got the ingredients in it. I took my braid out and I would like to show you how I'm going to put my treatment on. Yesterday when I finished it, I decided to put the left over in my hair. That's why you can see all these things coming out. And so what I'm going to do is I will show you the ingredients I use. I've got really dry scalp, so I've got you can do this twice in a month. To have a healthy hair, it doesn't mean that healthy hair should be longer or anything. Healthy hair should be thicker, genetically sound. And you know what? I put her in the fridge. You know, when the hair, the treatment touches your scalp, if it doesn't make you so cold on your scalp, you know you've not touched that place. And so when it's in the fridge, or when you do something that it will remind you that this place is not covered, that will help. And because I'm doing the back, and I'm not sure about it, I'm just feeling it based on how cold that place is, and I'm massaging it in, so no matter what, it will get there. When I finish, instead of putting heat on, I've got shea butter in as well. So instead of putting heat on, I will just go and have other things to do. exercise a bit so that my hair, I'll put my shower cap on, exercise a bit so that the heat from my scalp will do a job. Massaging it in. So there will be a blood circulation and my pores will open as well. So anywhere you think you have your damaged bit, you just massage it in. Massage that in. Massage that in. Massage there with them. So I'm leaving in the hair for 30 minutes. So I'm back. And now before I put the thing on, it couldn't even cover my hair. And can you see how soft the hair is now? It's so soft. And it's warm in there. That's why they don't want to apply heat. I'm going to shampoo it and condition it. So it's all dry now. Can you see that? I didn't use the blow dryer. What I did was I used a towel to wrap it for the water to go through it, for it to take all the water. So it's a bit down. So it's all sorted. Look at that. It's so sorted. Look at how nice the hair is. It feels so good. And it's got that shine to it. So what I did was, when I washed it with the normal shampoo and conditioner, you know, the last rinse, I put very cold water so that you can see my hair more shinier. So I'm going to just pick it with more shea butter again, and it's a bit wet. So what I'm going to do is more shea butter and twist it. So I'll see you later on for more videos. Alright, bye.